some noise! Modified time. Up first out of Mount Vernon, Ohio, 1993 Ford Bronco, the Boston Loose Machine. This is Brad Talbot. A-plus auto and 13 years, been rough trucking for 60. Brad Talbot, Brad Talbot out of Mount Vernon. Carried a lot of speed into the hairpin and pulling turning brake. That medium speed right hand the second tabletop. Bouncing through the high speed right hander. He'll set the mark to beat.
West of area out of Newark, 1978 Ford F-150 4x4, still kicking. Name of this one. So on the clock, West of area, sponsored by Ohio Tire out of Newark, and Shackelford's Disposal, Arcade Towing also sponsored. Still kicking on the clock at 43 seconds. Heading into the backstretch, which has been pretty good for the excitement. Here we go. Let's see what Still Kicking has to say about this.
So you suppose that's an Indian name, Bob?
Could be.
Maybe the first thing his parents saw when they woke or after he was born was a donkey kicking out in the back.
7-1-4-1.
We'll move us on to John Hall out of Columbus, Ohio in 1998 Jeep Cherokee 4-wheel drive. Been doing this over 4 years, he says. Capital City driver John Hall. Rolling down into that north end of the course. Carrying a lot of speed, looks like he's setting up. Into the hairpin down here at the south end. John Hall. Jeep Cherokee. All to the back stretch there. Second mark. The high-speed right-hander. What do you think, Croton? Let's send him home. The time on John Hall. Mark the beat, still first driver out, Brad Talbot at a 51-233.
Michael Springston out of Mount Vernon, 2004 Ford Ranger. All or nothing, the title of this. Modified. We've got number 8 on the track now, being followed by Austin Dickerson, Tyler Pierce, Trevor Moss, 56 seconds. Springston, a tough competitor, but not the best run here tonight. And that 2004 Ford Ranger.
The 1994 Ford Ranger gets the green light. Going down into that first. Number 3. The final obstacle before the hairpin. The house. Good jump. Bob here looking like Captain Jack Sparrow trying to sight down something or other. Coming down that high speed back straight. He's trying to put a show on this. This is his first ever event in rough truck competition. Let's show him some love here. Gonna bring it home. Just finished the build on that truck, having some issues. It's going to work out here in the coming months, though. Definitely one of those things you got to put it on the track. There's just no good way to test these things. Not like a Polish truck. 84294 for Austin Dickerson out of Fredericktown.
Tyler Peters up next out at Newark. 2012 Ford Raptor four-wheel drive. Peters outdoor. And Urban Off-Road. The sponsor, Mark DeBeat, Brad down that Ford here. Seems like they have a little too much power. Let's see what just rolled over the 20-second mark. Tyler Peters. How does he do on the high-speed right-hander? Looking good. Tyler
Trevor Bach. Trevor's out of Mount Vernon, Ohio, in 1986 Chevy S10 four-wheel drive. Sponsored by Mox Logan Hauling. Says it's the fourth run. The first 3 were Wednesday night. Only his 4th time in the truck. First ever time in the truck was Wednesday night right here at the biggest little fair in the world. Good sound in this head right there. Coming down lane number 3, heading towards the south. Turn on that one. Gets into that hairpin right here. Skipping the jump. Into that high speed at the 35-second mark. Into that high speed right-hander, bounces the cushion, keeps it rolling. Fourth. Good for 4th as we run.
Logan Ellis out of Centerburg. An 05 Nissan Frontier four-wheel drive. Daddy's Money, the name of the vehicle. Shorty's Auto Repair, the sponsor. Said it's the X. They passed it up to us and said, be sure to say it. hairpin. Now in the north of the hot ship. Turning over 33 seconds here. Logan Ellis, 51-2-3. Logan Ellis taking a pretty good run at it, 42 seconds. Oh, it's going to be close, looking good, 46, 47.
Aston 75, I need you to staging. Stock trucks 51 to 75, I need you to staging. The under pressure Jeep Cherokee out of Butler, Ohio. This is John Yoder. Campground. 15 years rough truck experience, and he says, I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, you put $10,000 behind you and take that truck home tonight. That hairpin turn coming down lane number 2. Yep, good job. Right at that 30-second mark. Make some noise, Hartford Fair. That's a 45-second, nice and smooth with a big right-hander. Coming up now, former winner of this event. This is going to be Nick Anderson out of Zanesville. The Lightning McQueen machine. Central Ohio Tire Kendrick excavating. Says, I want a Doss County, I want here on Wednesday. He says, idea. Lightning McQueen out of Zanesville. Good jump. Right at that 30-second mark, it ain't now. Coming down that high. Oh, into that sweeping right-hander. And full draw.
Jordan Weir is going to take a crack at that new Mark DeVitis out of Fredericktown, driving a 2001 Jeep Cherokee four-wheel drive called the Hellraiser, sponsored by Keegan Automotive. Been racing a rough truck for about 4 years. 3-3. We'll see what Jordan Weirs has to say about that. It'll be followed by Kevin Webb, Bosworth, Clayton Ramsey, Shorty Ellis. We'll wrap it all up. Around the final straight down right at the 25-second mark into the center hairpin. Now heading back north again. Jordan Weir. That's the only Fair. At the 39-second mark. Boy, what a good time. Doesn't look like it. Gotta take 52-3-3. Not gonna do it. I don't think. He's at the 50-second mark. Not gonna do it, but still gonna have a good time. Here comes the Hellraiser.
Move us on to Constructed Ohio driver, the 79 Ford F100 Reloaded machine. This is Chevis Webb, Construction Tire, YOLO Winery, Tip Top Tree Services sponsor. Been doing it for 12. Take it down into that north end of the course, lane number 3. Down into that hairpin. Right at that 30-second mark, right where that user was. We'll see how long it is. 40 seconds now into that final right-hander. Janice Webb carried a lot of speed. Long and wide.
Up next, we will see Randy Bosworth out of Centerburg, a 1977 Chevy truck. A high-tech redneck BTR services out of Centerburg is a sponsor. So it's an old school truck, been running rough truck for about 3 years. Top spot is still Nick Anderson out of Zanesville with a 50233. Randy Bosworth's going to take a crack at it here in just a second once the track is cleared for competition. Hats off to the Hartford Fair crew. Boy, they are moving this show right along, and I'm thinking everybody's having a good time and they're enjoying it. How about it, Hartford Fair? We having fun? Fantastic. Got a lot of vehicles to move through, and they are cracking it. Right back to green light competition. Randy Bosworth turns over the hourglass. Clock is running. Going to be tough to make that up here in the south end at 360 hairpin. High power to the ground. And Randy Bosworth, he's at the 42nd mark. Randy Bosworth, nice jump there. How does he do? Oh, looking good entry here. Stays off the berm. Randy Bosworth.
It'll be Clay Ramsey out of Pataskla. A 1995 Jeep Grand Cherokee. 4-wheel drive. The Heat, he calls it. Dirt Unlimited Excavating Farms out of Pataskla.
Said he wanted me to give a shout out to his son Dale, who's 8 years old. In the top 25 of the National Bowling Championship. In the final, and bowlingchamp.com, vote for Dale.
Eight years old, being the top 25 in the country of the mullet competition. Absolutely awesome right there. Play into the final sweeping right-hander. Nice job by Ramsey.
Shorty next out of Centerburg. 2005, a Chevy Colorado 4-wheel drive. Next level. Shorty's Auto Repair, the sponsor, been rough trucking for 8 years, and also says, happy birthday, Vivian. So another see Vivian, be sure to wish her a happy birthday. And Shorty now on the clock. Time of 5:02:33, Shorty Ellis. Around the south hairpin, 26 mark. Not too bad. Shorty Ellis. Final time at the south end of the track, 46:47.
That's going to bring us our final modifying competitor of the evening. Once again, stock trucks. 51 through 65. 51 through 65. I need to do a staging. This is Preston Springston out of Mount Vernon, Ohio in 1990 Dodge C100. Shorty Pumpkin. Pumpkin by Shorty's Auto Repair. Into that hairpin down here at the south end of the course. Let's go. That jump. Down through there. The big sweeping right-hander. What do you think, Hartford Fair?